First of all, you have to construct the basic sketches for any feature, 3D model feature. Then after that, you will create the extrude feature. Extrude is basically providing the third direction, which will be Z. You are right now you are working on the two planes, two axes. One is X, second is Y, and Z is missing here. Now in extrude we are providing Z axis, right? Now the model overview. Once you have created 2D sketches, you can use those sketches to create 3D geometries. And in this model, you use 2D sketches to create 3D solid geometries, including features like extrude, revolve, profile ribs, and many more. Right? So we are just moving to the software. Click the new file. Choose here part module, not sketcher, part module. Here subtype will be solid or sheet metal. Now we are working on solid modeling. So provide here solid modeling. Don't name the file. Uncheck this box. This is use default template. Default template can be of inch lbs or millimeter mmks. So any kind of default template can be. So choose it. Okay. Now here template you will have to manage. Here IN lbs means inch lbs, which will be British system. MMNS Newton second, millimeter Newton second, and here millimeter Newton second part solid, and here solid part mmks, millimeter kilogram in second. So choose here solid underscore part underscore mmks and click OK. Now you have the file. File name is PRT 0002 active, and the software name is mentioned at the top, which is the title bar. Now start here. Click on the sketcher. Before sketching, I'll explain you the environment here. This is the model workbench. It is analysis, it is annotation, render, tools, view, flexible, application. This is called menu bar, right? And at the bottom of menu bar, you will get the toolbars. These are the toolbars we have. And here is the ribbon: operation ribbon, get data ribbon, datum ribbon, shape ribbon, engineering ribbon, editing ribbon, surfaces indent. And here is the left corner, you will get the sash board. This is a sash board, and here you will get model tree. Model tree is consisting on the file name which we have created. Whatever the file name is, it will represent here too. And .prt is the file extension. In Sketcher you are working on .sec. .sec was the file extension for sketches. Now .prt is the file extension of part modeling. Here you will get default coordinate system, right, top and front. These are the three planes, and these planes are called datum planes. This is called default coordinate system. It is also called as datum coordinate system, right? Datum coordinate system is consisting on three directions, which is X, Y, and Z. Universally, whenever you're working on any of the machinery, CNC machineries, milling machineries, any kind of machinery, just take this software as a practical approach. This is not a virtual software. It is not like Photoshop or any other software kind of software. It is just a actual software you're working on the machineries, right? In milling machines, have you used any machinery, milling, CNC?
Oh yeah, I've used a little bit.
So on CNC machine, I'm taking the example of CNC machinery, which is also called as VMC, right? So it is working on the principle of coordinate system. Whenever you are assigned any job to the working table of the CNC machinery, you need to just assign the center point, right? So we are providing X, then Y, then Z. All these units we are assigning at the 0 coordinate, which will be a center point, and tool will start from the center point and end up, then again start with the center point, then end up at the corner, then again come to back, right? So it is a repetition feature in which we are providing some certain sort of a depth value, which is cutting a material, right? So same in the same context it is working on. Here you will get the default coordinate system. It is right, top, front. Insert here is a value. Your operation will be uploaded here only. right?
Yeah.
Now this is a position which is called default position. Default position. With the help of center ball, pressing middle button of the mouse, you are making orientation of the planes. If you are pressing Control D,
Yeah.
Control D, default orientation will be made. Control D, default orientation. You want to check it? Here is the option. Here is the default orientation option. And the short key of this is Control D. I'm making it, unpatterned. So Control D. Control D is a feature which by which we can get the 3D interface, isometric. And here is a front view. Here is a left view, right view, and top view. These are the certain.
Is is standard orientation the same as default?
As
That
it
was
is,
wasn't clear on that.
Standard orientation we can set on, but standard orientation always represent will be work same as like as default orientation, same.
Okay.
Right now,
Yeah.
here is the option which is called appearance, display style. We can also manage it, but before that we have to start, build something. We have to create something. Hey, these are the simple options, just like previous. Refit, refit, and here is the option which is zoom in, then zoom out. Same like previous sketch one. Control D. That's it. This is the option display style, which I'll let you know later, and this is the view manager, and these are the display datum filters which you want to show, which you don't want to show. Done. Here is the spin center. Here is the spin center. Now we are starting the software first of all, then I'll let you know all these features coming. Now this is the feature which is called sketcher. Create a sketch on a flat references. Provide the input which is top, and here is the flip option. You can see the arrow, it is going downward. So we are just observing from the top, from this side towards the downward, right? Like the arrow direction. And okay.
Yeah.
Now here is the option which has been added here. It is called sketch view orientation. Orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen on which plane we have selected. On the same context, the sketch view will be oriented like this, right? Now we have to start here. And here you can see insert here, sketch 1 has been added here. We have to construct something here, but before construct, provide the center line. See, these are the blue line, now these are the reference lines. System automatically creates the lines. This is the plane segment which is showing here, and it is on the front of you. But these are the vertical and horizontal. These are two planes which are hidden here, like 1 and 2. And with the respect of them, the reference line has been created. Now, first of all, but you cannot make any kind of mirror option or something like that with the reference of this line. So
like relations, you can't put relations to those reference lines at all.
Exactly. All the relation will be created with the help of this. If you are creating one circle here, it will take automatically relationship. So reference lines are very necessary. If reference lines are not available here, you cannot make anything. It will not let you go out. So here is the option center line datum. Provide here and provide here. Center ball. Now exit from the here workbench. Here is the option, you can construct anything, but I want to create the same feature which we have created in sketches. So here is the option get data file system. What was the sketch? sk_pet, right? Okay. Open and place it. Place it here, and ratio will be same. If I want the size which you have defined earlier should be shown here, so provide here 1.
Oh, okay.
You can see here. Any doubts here? All the sizes are same.
Yep.
10, 50, 75, 100. Exit and extrude. See here, I just need to one thing here. The sketch is very crude in respect of this circle. If I'm extruding it, the circle is also getting extruded, or it is making pocket feature. So I just need to get out from here, and then we have to enter some other places. We have to open sketch, open, delete the circle, and save, exit. Here is the option which is called
You have to refresh it, maybe?
refreshing. I'm refreshing, but refresh cannot be working here because it has been taken already now. It will not work.
Yeah.
In your system it will be shown in some different way. If you are right click on this sketcher one, you will see here the feature which is edit definition feature, but I am getting here with symbolize.
Yeah, not on there.
Hello?
Oh, okay, they added, that's a
Yeah,
change.
edit
on
definition
version
feature.
3. Okay.
Add the definition of the selected object. You will get I think here after group or representation. I think I'm getting here.
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
having 3.0 now, so some icon changes maybe here. So here I am making the changes now, extruding the feature. Extrude, pick the object. Now you see here it is coming down upwards. Arrow is coming upward. Here is the option. So you can make reverse direction. 1, 2. Clear? You want to make it both side. So here is the option which is called, this is called extruded solid, extruded surface. So here is a surface option. Here is a solid option. And here you see the limits. These are called limits. One is blind. Extrude from sketch plane to the specified depth value. So you can define the value you want, the 30 distance, so you have defined here. And here you can define at both sides. So 15 will be up and 15 will be down. And here is the preview option. You will see the preview of the solid object. Right? And here it will come to the next point. Extrude to selected point, reference curvature, reference plane, reference surface. But you cannot use it right now. First of all, you need to make some planes at different levels, and some points, some curvatures, some surfaces. Then you can utilize them. So first of all, here we are utilizing two features only. One is blind and second is mid plane. It is also called as extrude on both sides.